Hello everyone, my name is Rajkumar Soni. I am from Gyan Institute of Technology and Sciences and we are Team S2O. We have built an web-based tool for vulnerability detection of open source codes. So we have to just go to this git scan page and just copy any GitHub repository link and just paste it in our platform. So it is the vulnerable code link. Just go to this platform and paste it. It automatically clone the project from GitHub in a server, so you don't need to clone it in a local machine, and check all the vulnerabilities which is present in the code bases, and also check the dependencies where the vulnerabilities are found. So you can see that there are 17 medium level vulnerabilities, which is the system is highly confident about that, and it all lists down all the vulnerabilities and show the exact location of the code where the vulnerability is present, and it also show the dependencies. It will take some time. uh, there are 8 vulnerabilities present in this code basis, so it will take just a bit time to scan all the vulnerabilities in the dependency specifically. And here's the results. The Docker library contain the vulnerability which is present in version 5.0.3, and it can be fixed in later versions. I just check out this another project, and it is also contain 6 low level code issue, and there are 9 dependency issue dependency vulnerabilities, and you can directly go through this link, and there's SQL injection in Django present in this particular version. The platform is also suggest the updated libraries and the versions where the issue is fixed. So there are all the vulnerabilities, and this is another library which is workzoob, and there is also some vulnerability present in that. So we can also check the vulnerabilities in Python modules, like Python PyPy packages for security issues, and just type the name of the packages and it automatically download the package in a server, so you don't need to download it or install it in your local machine, and show all the reports. And it also check the dependencies, and it show that there are 5 medium level vulnerabilities, and so you can aware that which package cause your system or can be attacked by other. And there is no dependency report. Also we can check custom files, like we just upload our custom file project in a zip format, or we just download some file from internet and wants to check before extracting the content, so we can upload it and it show the full report. So here we see that there is highly vulnerable code, so it is system call which is executed in terminal, so which can harm your system so badly, and that's why it show the highly confidence with this high level sensitive vulnerability, and it also check the dependencies on it. So that's our project. Thank you.